Why I have decided to create this course. During my awakening process over 20 years ago, there was no one to share this information with. As I was going through my awakening process, I started to recognize that there is more to our physical body. As I started to feel and see energies, I wanted to share that information with other people, but there was no one to relate to. So this whole journey that took me into a spiral of evolution in isolation of my own self for the first 4 years, I decided that I wanted to share this with people so they can become multidimensional and be able to tap into other dimensions as well as harness their physical reality. This whole program is designed for you to master yourself. If you know thyself, then you know the universe. Because everything is within the micro and the macro existence, and we must understand ourselves. So in this course, you will learn how the physical body operates internally, as well as how it relates to the external world. When I speak of external world, I'm speaking of your energy bodies. This is why they're called energy bodies. You did not come here because it was just pure luck. You came here because your soul guided you to this information, because this is the next step of our evolution, is to understand our energy bodies. That's why they're called bodies, because they're still ours, but we're not aware of them. Now we become whole once we become multidimensional and we start to become aware of them. And the first part, you will learn how to activate your physical body, your organs. What are they really for? Are they just to process food, or they are here to process energy and vibration? What kind of frequencies are stored there? What do they really do? After the organ activation, we go into activating our mind. We will be working with the glands system and how to raise the vibration within them, how they correlate to your energy bodies. We'll also go into different meditations that will help you synchronize the physical reality and your structure so it becomes in a harmonious flow with your mind. In part 2, we get into the energy bodies. And here we explore the different dimensions, the different chakra systems within the energy bodies. We will work with the etheric body, we will work with the emotional body, the astral body, the mental body. And in each one, I will guide you through specific chakras activations within those energy bodies, as well as meditations. You will become more aware beyond your physical reality. You'll start to perceive and sense other dimensions of yourself. Afterwards, get into the process of karmic healing, which I will guide you through, as well as releasing the patterns that you have adapted in this lifetime and other lifetimes, which may be creating some sort of stagnation within your field. After this whole process, you will definitely feel the shift and the change within your reality. The empty space that created within yourself will give you the opportunity to fill it up with more light of your soul essence, your higher self. The clearer we are, the much more easier we can connect to the true essence of ourselves. So this work is not only just to heal the physical body, but we're also activating the 12 strands of your DNA. This will take you to a higher octave of your reality, so the perception becomes different, the emotional reactions become different. As that happens in your body, you will feel the difference in your everyday reality. The whole purpose is to become enlightened beings. How does that really happen? So this whole course will take you step by step through the procedures, a more simplest way to come to your light body. So thank you for joining me on this and allowing me to guide you through this divine process where you can really connect to your higher self, your oversoul self, and really truly understand how to master these aspects of yourself in all different dimensions. So this will not only go through that, but this will also give you an awareness of your multidimensional self, of your parallel realities and past lives, because now you're stepping into the expansion of consciousness itself.